Hi everybody, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's Marika here. So today I am going to share with you, I recently got an auction bag from eBay and it's a Louis Vuitton Keepal 45. It's vintage, it's Preloved vintage, and this is about probably 30 years old, more or less. So this is the Keepal that I got. This is the Keepal 45. And it's pretty handy, so I'm around 5'2", 5'3", so this is very much handy for me. So this is the size that I would prefer. And we're gonna do the unboxing. I already opened it. Let's open it again. Send me like a thank you note. It's wrapped in a bubble wrap. Vintage. So it has a handle, name tag. Yes. It has some spots. So we'll try to clean it. Perfect bag for a getaway. And there it is. It's a Louis Vuitton Monogram Keepal 45 Boston Bag. So this one needs some TLC, some cleaning and some conditioning. Alright, so now this one is ready. We're packing this one. Just trying to fill it up with fabrics. Let's see. Alright, so this is how it looks like when it's full. I am a purse lover, and it's something that I really love, bags. And I would assume that most of the ladies also love bags. Like, who doesn't love bags? And I'm so thankful to God for me to have the opportunity to do something that I really love. And I'm gonna be sharing with you more of my journey as a pre-loved bag reseller. And so some of the characteristics that you're gonna look for in a seller, especially in auction sites like eBay, is the track record of their business. Like, have they sold a lot? Also, of course, the reviews. Is it mostly negative reviews? So those are red flags. And in case you're buying multiple items from the same seller, make sure to have a combined shipping where you can get a discount. In my case, I did a combined shipping, but then I get charged separately even if I receive it as combined. So please beware. Before you pay the seller, always make sure that you get your discount. Because if you won't ask, they probably wouldn't give it to you. Because if I didn't ask, they wouldn't give it to me. I'm not sure with the other sellers, but in my case, that's what happened. If there's product that you want to haggle or you want to ask a discount, you can always message the seller and ask for a discount. I mean, there's no harm in asking for maybe like a $10, $5 off. It also depends on the condition of the bag, but you can always ask for a discount. And what I love most about being a pre-loved bag reseller, it's because I'm also sharing my passion to other ladies who love bags, who love the bags that I love. And so I think that's quite exciting. And right now I'm just so inspired to do this, and I hope that you'll support me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you would like more videos about bags, vintage bags, auction bags from eBay, and if you would like this video, please don't forget to click the like button, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For sure, there's gonna be more bag updates coming, so I hope you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next